June 12, 2025, it was not just a day of aviation tragedy, it was the day India lost its future doctors in silence. A plane fell from the sky and changed everything on the ground. Not just for passengers, but for young medics who were not traveling. They were in their hostel, their second home. Some were studying, some were preparing for rounds, some were simply having lunch. None of them knew it was their final hour. They were not on the flight, they had no boarding passes, but they were taken by that crash. And today we don't just mourn their loss, we honor their purpose, we remember every dream that was being lived in silence, in service, inside a hostel until the fire came. When Air India flight AI 171 crashed shortly after takeoff, it did not just destroy the plane, it slammed directly into the side of a medical hostel in Meghaninagar, a facility housing interns and MBBS students from BJ Medical College. What followed was chaos, heat, and silence. The Boeing 787 lost control 32 seconds after takeoff. It dropped altitude and at 1:39 p.m., it crashed directly into the medical hostel. The blast gutted one wing of the building where students had just returned from lunch. There was no warning, no alarm. In seconds, the lives of young medics were reduced to ash. These were not nameless ground casualties. They were India's future physicians. People who were months away from saving lives. They were not on duty, but they were in service to society, even in their studies. For every doctor we lost in that hostel, there is now a gap in the world. A patient who may never meet their healer, a village who lost their only hope, a mother who will never see her son written in a white coat. Sources confirm 241 dead on board the flight, including passengers and crew. 38 people killed on the ground. At least 4 confirmed medical students and interns from BJ Medical College died in the hostel wing. DNA identification is underway for other victims, including hostel residents and local staff. Rescue teams recovered burnt notes, medical books, and stethoscopes where once dreams lived. They had chosen a life of service, a path of sacrifice, compassion, and healing, and on June 12th, that life was stolen. Not in combat, not in protest, but in the quiet corners of a hostel where futures were being built and suddenly burned away. Here are the verified details of all 4 confirmed victims from the crash at the BJ Medical College hostel and canteen in Ahmedabad. Manav Badhu from Pilibanga, Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, final year MBBS student at BJ Medical College. He was having lunch in the hostel mess when the crash occurred. His funeral was held in Dalmani, attended by local officials and hundreds of residents. Jaiprakash Chaudhary, 20 years old from Borcharanan village, Barmer, Rajasthan, second year MBBS student, NEET score 675 in 2023. He went to the mess for lunch, debris caused burns, and he passed away the next day. His family had taken loans for his NEET coaching in Kota. Aryan Rajput from Jigsauli village, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, first year MBBS student, scored around 695 in NEET 2024, was in the mess having lunch, stepped aside to wash hands. Minutes later, the crash hit. His body was returned to Gwalior. He was a farmer's son who dreamed of becoming a doctor. Rakesh Diora from Susia village, Talaja, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, third year MBBS student at BJ Medical College, A Yuva unstoppable scholar praised for his kindness and discipline, he was also in the mess. The NGO and the community paid tribute to him. And beyond these four were others: interns, staff, hostel mates, names still waiting to be identified, lives still waiting for closure. They may not be named today, but they are not forgotten. To every life lost that day, we offer our deepest salute. To every family grieving in silence, we stand with you. To every young student watching, your life is precious. You are the future, and we will remember those who never got to finish the mission they began to heal the world. I am Uma, this is Trendline Times, and today we don't just remember a crash, we remember a hostel reduced to ash, a canteen filled with dreams now silenced, and futures that burned too soon. The world will remember them, and so will we.